Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best long-distance drones is probably one of the most exciting advancements in drone technology, offering unprecedented capabilities for both recreational and professional use. These drones extend the boundaries of aerial exploration, allowing you to capture stunning footage, conduct efficient surveillance, and even facilitate long-range deliveries. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, the world of long-distance drones opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Ultralight 4K Camera Drone. This drone is incredibly light, weighing less than an apple. Its compact design makes it the perfect travel companion, allowing you to easily capture all your favorite memories. The 12MP camera captures stunning 4K video. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures smooth, high-quality footage, no matter how you fly it. This drone can transmit HD video up to 10 kilometers away. It also has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you a clear view of what the drone sees. With a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to get the perfect shot. It can also withstand level 5 winds and fly at high altitudes, ensuring stable footage. You don't need to be close to get the shot you want. The 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient to capture shots from different distances. With just a few taps, the drone automatically records professional-level videos. The DJI Fly app helps you create impressive results with soundtracks and filters, whether you're a beginner or an expert. What we like. This drone is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion. Its 4K camera captures stunning footage, ensuring your memories are beautifully preserved. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to carry and delivers exceptional video quality, you should consider this one. What people say. Flying the drone is very easy. The video was sharp and did not waver even though we had some wind. The videos and pictures are outstanding. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720E 4K Drone. This Holy Stone drone is compliant with FAA regulations. You can easily ensure compliance by obtaining the remote ID module. Contact Holy Stone customer support for any assistance you may need. The HS720E features a 4K camera with electric image stabilization, ensuring clear videos. Equipped with a Sony sensor, it delivers unmatched image quality, setting it apart from others in its class. Enjoy stable flights with the air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS location and auto return to home, you can explore with confidence, knowing it will always return safely. The Fly More kit provides a total flight time of 46 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time flying and less time charging. A carrying bag is also included for easy transport and storage. Elevate your videography with flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly. Watch the drone effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Equipped with brushless motors, this drone ensures powerful, stable, and quiet flights. Experience the thrill of soaring without motor noise, while benefiting from extended motor lifespan and minimal maintenance. What we like. This drone boasts a 4K camera with EIS, guaranteeing clear, shake-free videos. With a total flight time of 46 minutes, it provides ample time for capturing your shots. If you are a beginner looking for a reliable and high-quality drone that meets FAA requirements, this is a great choice. What people say. The EIS function works great and the 4K images are beautiful. One feature that drove me to this drone was the controller. It has a built-in display with battery levels, GPS and signal strength. It can take a photo or video just using controller buttons, and that means if you want to just do a quick flight, you are good to go without the phone. The supplied instruction book in multiple languages very well written and presented, font on the light small side for my old eyes, but fortunately when unit is connected to your phone there is access to video tutorials. I suggest a combination of reading and videos. Number 3. Holy Stone HS175D 4K GPS Drone. This drone features a 4K camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens. It also has a 90-degree adjustable feature, allowing you to capture perfect shots. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth and stable video transmission. With GPS assistance, the drone automatically returns home if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low battery. You don't have to worry about losing it. This feature ensures a safe and reliable flight experience. The drone includes 2 batteries, providing up to 46 minutes of flight time. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make it easy for beginners. You can also adjust the speed. It comes with a carrying case and has a foldable design for easy storage and portability. Weighing under 250 g, it saves you from FAA registration. This makes it perfect for travel. This drone can automatically follow you, fly along a set path, or circle a point. It can also take photos or videos when you pose. These intelligent functions enhance your flying experience. What we like. This drone offers a 4K camera for capturing high-resolution photos and videos. With a generous flight time of 46 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to explore and film. If you want a drone with intelligent features like auto-return, you should consider it. What people say. After reading reviews of a number of under $200 drones, we chose the HS-175D, and are very satisfied with our decision. Amazon delivered in less than a day, and the drone was flying, well controlled by a novice operator, within an hour. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. Number 2. Holy Stone HS440 drone with 1080p camera. This drone features a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted remotely. It has a wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture amazing aerial scenery and wonderful moments from above. With its modular battery, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture more footage. This drone is small, foldable, and packed with advanced features. It comes with a carrying case, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Explore your world without limitations. The HS440 is designed for easy use with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering. One-key high-speed rotation adds more fun. The sky is your playground with this drone. It's a must-have for beginners, with intelligent functions such as emergency stop and headless mode. The long flight time is great for practicing. It's user-friendly and packed with features. What we like. This drone features a 1080p HD camera with adjustable angles, allowing you to capture a variety of perspectives. The long flight time ensures you have plenty of time to explore and film. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use and portable drone, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to control, easy to learn and easy to fly. The remote control does a great job of changing the angle of the camera and it all functions great. The camera app was easy to download and figure out. It allows photos and video to be taken. Using my smartphone as the viewer helps a lot. Number 1. Ruko F11 GM2 4K drone with gimbal and EIS. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with a 4K camera, 2-axis gimbal, and EIS. This combination ensures your videos are smooth and professional, eliminating any unwanted shakiness. With 5x digital zoom and an 80 degrees adjustable lens, it's easy to switch between wide shots and detailed close-ups. Enjoy up to 32 minutes of flight time per battery, and with 2 included, you get a total of 64 minutes. This extended flight time gives you more opportunity to capture the perfect shot, whether you're exploring or filming your next adventure. The app and controller clearly display the real-time battery level. Fly up to 5 kilometers with real-time video transmission. Connect your phone via USB for a stable live view. It's safe for beginners with a 98-foot limit, while experienced pilots can explore the full range for scouting trails or filming action shots. The upgraded remote controller connects directly to your phone via USB. This provides fast and stable video transmission without relying on Wi-Fi. You'll experience smooth and reliable live views, even over long distances. Designed for real-world conditions, this drone can handle winds up to 29 to 38 miles per hour. Whether you're at the beach or in the mountains, it ensures stable footage. You can expect smooth, cinematic results every time. The intelligent GPS features include auto-return home, GPS follow me, point of interest, and waypoint flight. The app provides intuitive instructions, making your flying experience easy and creative. You can start your adventure with just a few taps. The F11 GM2 meets FAA remote ID requirements, with the RID label located on the bottom of the drone. If you have any trouble finding it, contact support for assistance. What we like. This drone has a 4K camera with a gimbal and EIS for smooth, professional quality videos. With a total flight time of 64 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture your shots. If you are looking for a drone with long range and wind resistance, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera takes excellent photos and the videos are HD quality and the video stabilization works great. Ruko drone was easy to set up. I have to use cable to plug into iPhone instead of Wi-Fi, following instructions on screen in app. It has great camera footage, features offered by drone, 2 batteries, controller built-in battery can be charged. My last drone was Dirk D15, uses regular battery and controller, it comes with case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.